Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make these chocolate dipped apple wedges. So let's get started. To make these apple wedges, I have an apple. This is ambrosia apple. You can use any apples that you have. I've washed it and dried it, and I'm going to slice it and remove the core. And then slice them up into smaller wedges. And I'm going to insert a stick in each of the wedges. And I'm going to pat them dry to make sure that the chocolate sticks. If you don't want to use chocolate, you could just coat them with peanut butter. And I have some melted chocolate. And I'm going to dip my apple in, coat it, and drop some chopped nuts in. And for these white ones, I have some white chocolate melted. And I'm going to coat the apple and sprinkle with a bit of coconut. And I'm going to drizzle some white chocolate on the chocolate ones. And some chocolate on the white chocolate ones. And there you go. That's how easy it is to make these chocolate covered apple wedges. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.